Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Morocco. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Right? This is good. Alright, click on link in the description and open this website voyafly.com and write this Morocco. And select this Morocco data eSim and click on this and open new page and Morocco data eSim, Africa and high speed 4G 5G, no downloaded or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation in under 5 minutes. Right, this price $11 and 1 gigabyte 7 days, 11 3 gigabytes 2 weeks, $26.95 and 20 gigabytes 30 days and $150. Right, and click on this 30 days and buy 2 eSIM discount this, buy 4 eSIM discount this, and buy 6 eSIM discount 25%. Alright. And click on this 1 2 3 4. Right, 1, and click on add to cart or buy it now. Activation, and send your QR code and scan QR code and activation instruction, and that's all. Right, click on buy it now, open this page and write discount code Rome Tips, apply and order discount $14.70. Right, this good, this very good, and click on Google Pay and pay Google Pay or click on this and write your email and write card number, date, security code, name of card and billing address. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city and phone, and click on buy now, and that's all. You buy eSIM in Cameroon and work, right? And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.